Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a replacement recall battery from ECOXGEAR Boulder first generation Bluetooth portable speaker. So let's go ahead and unbox this. All right. Wow. So this time it is well, they kind of double bag it, so they come with this screw sets in case you open it out and then you lost your old screws. So it says required tool, mini flathead screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver. Eco Boulder battery replacement. So previously they sent me one of it, and I have two speakers. They actually sent it to me, this one, which is, I guess, they will still leak because this is lead acid. So they probably found out there's a flaws with this battery pack. So that's why they come out with the new lithium-ion phosphate batteries. So I'm going to turn on my weight to weight this two battery. See if they are same weight. So somehow this time they put the manufactured date on here. The first one I got, they didn't put the manufactured date. So I guess that's how they determine which one is new, which one is old. So let's go ahead and weight this. So this is 1 pound, 11 ounce, 7/8. So almost 1 pound, 12 ounce. Let's go ahead and weigh this one. Oh, somehow it's not set to 0 or what? Let me reset to 0. All right, now it's 0. Let me set it again. So it says 1 pound, 11.5 ounce. So if you run it out, become 1 pound, 12 ounce. So let's check out this one. And this one shows 1 pound, 11 ounce and 1/4. I'm not sure what jumped back to. Now it's negative 1/4. What's going on with this scale? Probably it's not in flat surface. All right, so I touch it now. It reset to 0. Let's check it out again. 1 pound, 11.58. 1 pound, 11 and then a half. So yeah, anyways, close to enough to with each other. So, and then both of the specs are the same. So yeah, anyway, if you have a ECOX Boulder Bluetooth first generation, you want to shoot them an email. So, but they will require a serial number. Be sure to give them your serial number. Before they didn't care. So I guess now they think that people are getting just send an email to get a free battery or something, or to get an extra one. By the way, actually I got the extra one because they sent me that one. So now I got this two for free. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.